Okay, on skill number 203, what we're trying to teach you is how to factor something like this that has a number in front that is not 1. In other words, you should already know basic factoring before you do this, but if you're going to step up to this level of factoring, you still have 2 sets of parentheses, and you're going to lead with something that makes 3x squared. Well, something here and something here have to multiply to 3x squared. So I'm going to use 3x and x. That way, 3x times x will make 3x squared. All right. So now, my next part is I'm going to take these 2 numbers, and I have to figure out what would multiply to negative 2. Well, that's fairly easy. All I have to have is a 2 and a 1. 2 and a 1 make 2, but one of them has to be negative. All right, so I'm going to put a 2 here, and I'm going to put a 1 here. And now I'm just going to figure out where the positive and negative should go. And I don't know if the 2 should be here and the 1 should be over there. We'll see. I'm going to play with it until I get it right. But I know it has to be 2 and a 1 to make a 2. All right, so now my next step is I'm going to try sticking in a positive and a negative and just see if it works. I'm going to make this one positive, and I'm going to make this one negative. Now, how do I know if I've done it right? You can FOIL it back out. Your firsts, this and this, have to make 3x squared. Your outside, which would be this one and this one, that's going to be negative 3x. And your inside are going to be positive 2x. What's negative 3x and positive 2x? That's going to make negative x, but I wanted positive x for my middle term. So that didn't work. If I was exactly opposite of what I wanted, then I should just switch the signs around. I can take this 2 and put it over here, take the negative and put it over here, and now I think I've got it. How will I know for sure? I multiply it out again. My firsts still make 3x squared. My outside makes positive 3x. My inside makes negative 2x. That leaves positive x. And my lasts still make negative 2. So there's an example of how to factor one where the lead coefficient is not 1. All right?